Hello everybody, today I'm going to build the Brickmania Messerschmitt Bf109 Kurfürst late war multi-role fighter. This kit was designed by Daniel Siskind. It is kit number 2040. It contains 347 Lego Brickmania brick arms elements plus printed building instructions. There is also a minifig. This is a kit that was released back in, looks like 2014. I got this off of eBay a while back and I took it apart so I could build it. It is a sign box and it is set number 1 out of this kit. Let's take a look inside the box. So when I took it apart, one of these, actually a 1x4 and a 2x4 tile broke, so I had to order those off of Bricklink. Just got them in, so now I can build this kit. There's a bag with all the other parts in it. Here's the certificate for this kit. Pretty cool. Don't have many of these, maybe 3 or 4. And here's what their instructions look like back in 2014. They have gotten a lot better as far as having covers and all that. Still, it's a pretty good instruction set. I'm going to go ahead and separate the parts and start the build. In case you were curious, the front landing gear on this plane do actually collapse. Not all the way, but pretty close. So that's how they work. So here is the Messerschmitt Bf109 Kurfürst Axis Late War Multi-Role Fighter. A little bit of a tongue twister there. The propeller does spin. Has a nice little brick built canopy over the cockpit. Little simulated gun here, I believe, on this side. The exhaust is pretty cool, the way they did that with the bricks. Little string for, I think this was an antenna. Other than the landing gear and the propeller, there's not much really that moves on this aircraft. I do like the way they integrated the brown and the green to make the camouflage pattern on it. I'll go ahead and move up the camera a little bit so you can see it from a different angle. There you go. Pretty cool little aircraft. As I said earlier in the video, it is kit number 2040, and it is the first set created for this kit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day.